I'm going to go up here into this menu, and what I'm going to pull up is I'm going to pull up the legend. It's one of the first things I like people to look at. We do tell you what all the pins mean. There have been other softwares that I've got into before, and these numbers and these letters and the color of the great, but what do they mean? So you can pull this up and figure out what all the pins mean. So red is going to be your delivery stops, and they're not completed. Those are the stops that need to be completed. Anything in our system, whether it's in the driver app, whether it's in our optics app, which is for our managers, whether it's in our boss system, our business operation support system, which is our main software system. If it is orange, it is time definite. That means it's a pickup window or it is that network 2.0 volume. Okay, so anything in orange is going to have a time definite service component to it. Anything in yellow across our whole entire software system means it is due within the next 30 minutes. And in this case for drivers, especially for drivers, and then for you managers in the optics app, anything that's urgent and yellow is going to start blinking. So if you are 30 minutes away, say it's 10 o'clock, you are 30 minutes away from a 10:30 meeting to be completed, it is going to start blinking and it's going to be yellow. If your drivers would have to be trying to miss an urgent time definite if they're looking at this map. Your pickups are going to be in black. Any exceptions are going to be in white.